For us, quoting is important. Marketing is important. How you project yourself to the customer is super important. And even when we had, 15, 16 people, we had a website that you would think there was 200 people working there.
Right.
Best
foot forward to make sure that you guys look like you can get the job done, because you're not welding a desk legs,
No.
at people's home office, right? So
no, yeah, and that's exactly it. And once we got our foot in the door, the quote is there. Then we start the process. Engaging in a good conversation with the customer, figuring out what they want. A lot of times the customer will bring us sample parts. We'll weld sample parts for free. We do a lot of free services up front. Sometimes if it's a new customer, we'll offer $1,000 of free welding services. And sometimes if a customer is going to offer us or send us an RFQ for let's say an Airbus part, we're not qualified for Airbus.
Okay.
We're certified for a lot of aerospace primes, but we're not certified for Airbus. If someone sends us an Airbus RFQ, we don't reject it and we say, hey, we're not certified. Sorry, we can't quote it. We actually quote it and we'll say, hey, we'll give you $25,000 of free welding services if you help us get Airbus certified. Because
Right.
$25,000 is
That's
actually cheap for an approval, because
Right.
that approval can last a lifetime.